Oppo's next flagship, the Find X9 series, is taking shape. Now today the Find X9 Pro has just surfaced online, on China's 3C certification database, revealing two models, PLG110 and PLG120. Now, one of these is expected to be the standard Pro, while the other could be a satellite edition, similar to what Oppo did with last year's Find X8 Pro. Both versions are confirmed to support 80-watt wired charging, using Oppo's VCB80 ACH charger. Now, that's the same speed as last year, so no upgrade in raw charging wattage. But here's the exciting part: leaks suggest Oppo might pack in a massive 7,500 mAh battery. That's huge, and if true, it could give the Find X9 Pro one of the longest-lasting batteries in the flagship market. For the screen, Oppo is expected to use a 6.78-inch LIPO OLED panel with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and ultra-slim bezels. Basically, a display designed to look stunning and feel smooth. Under the hood, the Find X9 Pro could run on MediaTek's upcoming Dimensity 9500 chip, promising flagship-level performance to compete with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 and Apple's A19 Bionic. And now, the cameras. Oppo is reportedly planning a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 periscope telephoto lens for next-level zoom capabilities. This will be paired with a 50-megapixel Sony LYT828 main sensor and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide camera. If these specs hold true, the Find X9 Pro could become one of the most versatile camera phones of 2025. So, when is it coming? The Oppo Find X9 Pro is expected to launch in Q3 of 2025, with a starting price of around $999 US. It will run Android 16 with ColorOS 16 right out of the box. And yes, a standard Find X9 model should launch alongside it with many of the same features. With a giant battery, powerful cameras, and a sleek display, Oppo is clearly positioning the Find X9 Pro to take on the biggest flagships of the year. The real question is, would you pick this over a Galaxy S26 or iPhone 17? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.